In this video, we will look at the best commercial automatic door closers available on the market today. We made this list based on our personal opinion, hours of research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, durability, features, and more. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, check the links in the description box below. So, let's dive into the video. Number 5. TOLDEO Door Closer White Finish. There is nothing more disturbing than a door that bangs closed when shut. You can solve the problem with this commercial automatic door closer available from TOLDEO. It automatically shuts when your hands are full, so there is no need to put the load down and shut the door. A fact is, with the affordable price, you can install it anywhere in the home or at work and even outside. You can use it with any type of door using the screw-in installation, and it has a weatherproof structure, making it a worthwhile option to have. Number 4. Dynasty Hardware Automatic Door Closer. The commercial automatic door closer is an excellent product and comes highly recommended by users. It has a non-handed design for use with a parallel arm with top jam or regular arm use. Furthermore, it complies with the ADA, ANSI, and all requirements. On the other hand, it has a hydraulic system with a standard back check function, and you can set it up from a size 1 to 6. There are 2 separate regulating valves to adjust the closing and latching speed. You get a tri-pack with all hardware included for installation. You can use it with a door weighing 40 pounds up to 240 pounds. Number 3. Dorence Automatic Door Closer. Here we have a durable commercial auto door closer made with aluminum to keep it streamlined and accurate to use. It comes with a heat-treated rack and pinion with a metallic paint finish, making it durable for long-lasting use. The design lessens the load on the door for a smooth and jerk-free operation. You can mount it to entries with a width of 24 inches to 48 inches and has a max opening swing of 180 degrees. On the other hand, you can fix it to a wood or metal door on the inside, outside, and has a hydraulic operating system. Number 2. Global Door Controls Automatic Door Closer. Here is an economical commercial automatic door closer from Global Door Controls. You can use it with an aluminum store door or with wood, metal, and hollow doors. While it has a narrow design, it comes with all hardware included with other applications. The aluminum alloy body provides durability and comes with a size 4 spring size to accommodate a door weight up to 243 pounds. There is a back check, but it does not include a parallel arm bracket. For using it on the inside, it works with a door size of 44 inches and 36 inches for use on the outside. Number 1. FORTSTRONG Commercial Door Closer. The commercial automatic door closer is ADA compliant and fully adjustable from a size 1 to 6 with a back check. You get 6 adjustable levels to control the power of the sweep motion and latching. You can use it on the interior and exterior with the tri-application and supports regular, top jam, and parallel installation. Included, you get a warranty if you are not satisfied with the product and comes with all fittings included. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.